Hello dear friend, how you have been? Hopefully everything is going well. I am also well as usual. You know, my dear, my name is Ronnie, and I always try to people for pushing and also it's push up to people for learning English. And my main theme is in my videos. Sorry for that, my dear friend. My main theme is for pushing people, and I have to, as usual, I know as much as I possible for pushing people for learning English, because the learning English is very important for in modern era, and we can't getting anything, we can't getting any advantage from in any types of office, any types of usual school, college, and anywhere, any field you can getting advantage um, without English. So it's very important for everyone, my dear friend. So actually I come in front of you today to talking about some things. Actually my some friends and some of my subscribers sometimes text me for making videos with Bengali. When I'm talking in English, I have used Bengali language also. My dear friend, I have to tell you something. It's very important for you and for everyone also, my dear friend. We are trying to learning English, so we have to learn English by English. Not there. This is not actually will be good for making Bengali language also this in this videos. That's why I avoid, always try to avoid Bengali news. When you are trying to learn English, when you are trying speaking in English, you should learning English by English. Try to use synonym. If you can't getting any types of word, there have a lots of dictionary in this world, so you can getting it very easily from Play Store. Try to try to make try to what type of things it's install. Yes, sorry for late. You have to install in your phone any types of dictionary. There have offline, online, many types of dictionary in this world right now we have. So we have to install in our phone. After that, if we try to getting the meaning of the vocabulary, what is the connotation, the vocabulary, you can, my dear friend, get very easily. And there have also coming many types of synonym. When you were searching a word for connotation in this dictionary, then you will getting there have many types of synonym. You are trying to learn one words, but you can also in this processing you can 4 to 5 words in a one time in a time. So my dear friend, it will be more benefited. And some of my friends texting me for making subtitles in my video. Why, my dear friend? There have a option in YouTube, double C. If you notice in your over the head of when you are watching my videos, over my head there have double C type of caption will be coming. When you will when you press there, my talking will be automatically subtitled. So why I will make subtitle in my videos, my dear friend? And there have a lots of friend, there have a lots of audience, they no need subtitle. They always trying to getting what we are actually saying. They try to listening very easily, so that they will pay their more attention in these videos, and in this processing they will getting English more actually intentionally. So I think in my videos no need any subtitle, and every time I also suggest people try to avoid subtitle. No need subtitle, try to listen. If you don't getting in any time, go to previous. If you double click, the video will be behind, then you will getting again. When your mind will be set up this word and your mind catch it easily, then when you will getting this word in any types of movie, any type of song, any types of article, news, and anywhere, you will getting it very easily. It will be not conflicted in your mind again. So my dear friend, that's why I telling no need any subtitle. Don't avoid subtitle, no need subtitle. And you will be getting also the word by when you will actually reading some newspaper, reading some magazine, anything, reading book. There you can getting some vocabulary. It will be advanced level. When you will getting this meaning or connotation in the word meaning, you will actually then try to convert in a sentence, then you can't forget the vocabulary. So this is the most effective formula for learning English. When you will learn new vocabulary, try to convert in 4 to 5 sentence, and In your conscious mind, try to introvertly actually. Don't no need to always showing people you are learning English, you are practicing English. Try to introvertly also practice. Introvertly means we are actually, if I make any example for you, my dear friend, I am right now in my room and making videos for you. That's the introverted practice. That have no anyone, no any partner. The room is actually alone. I am alone in the room. So this is my introverted practice. When you are walking, try to think in your mind, I am walking right now, I am going to the field, I have to play with my friend, there have my some of my friend waiting for me, I will playing cricket with my friend.